This is a reminder of what 2009 looked like. The tsunami evacuation.
Yo, shout me out, please. Sorry about it, 684 Instagram. Let's go.
Samoana.
Now it's getting serious. It's just a tsunami siren, not a fire brigade siren going off as well here up in Russell. All the locals are up at Flagstaff, or trying to. The road is blocked now. Yeah, so this is the most serious threat we've had so far that we've been living here in 10 years. Good to see that system is working though.
Meteorologist John Risto is warning people not to take the tsunami warning lightly after earlier ones were cancelled. He says the most recent earthquake changes things.
Big attraction, mate.
Tsunami.
Coming or not?
Oh, what? They reckon. That's what they reckon. A couple of warnings. So I don't know, bro.